In a significant move, the Trump administration barred Harvard University from enrolling international students. This decision has left thousands of foreign students, including hundreds of from India, in a state of uncertainty. The international students have been told to either transfer to another institution or risk losing their legal status in the US. So, what's next for Indian students studying in Harvard? Harvard's official website says that anywhere between 500 to 800 Indian students and scholars are part of the university every year. Right now, 788 students from India are enrolled at the university. The move could significantly affect Harvard University, which enrolls nearly 6,800 international students, most of them in graduate programs. Those students may now have to scramble to figure out their next steps. But why did the Trump administration take this step? The Department of Homeland Security took this latest step because Harvard refused to comply with requests to produce records about its foreign students, Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem said in a letter. Noem accused Harvard of perpetuating an unsafe campus environment that is hostile to Jewish students, promotes pro-Hamas sympathies, and employs racist diversity, equity, and inclusion policies. Harvard said the action is unlawful and undermines the school's research mission. But can the US government control a private college's enrollment? Well, not directly, but the US government has authority over who comes into the country. The Department of Homeland Security oversees which colleges are part of the Student Exchange and Visitor Program, and now it said it would remove Harvard. The program gives colleges the ability to issue documentation to foreign students admitted to the schools. Then the students apply to obtain visas to study in the United States. Will Harvard's current international students be allowed to graduate? Yes, students who completed their degree this semester will be allowed to graduate. Noem's letter said the changes would take effect for the 2025-2026 school year. Harvard's class of 2025 is expected to graduate next week. However, Noem said that students who have yet to complete their degree need to transfer to another university or they will lose their legal permission to remain in the US. Will admitted students be able to enroll in the fall? No, not unless the government changes its decision or a court steps in. For now, Noem said Harvard could restore its status as a host institution for foreign students if it complied with a list of demands within 72 hours. Those demands include requests for a range of records, such as disciplinary records for international students, plus audio and video recordings of protest activity. Harvard previously declined to provide those records, and Harvard has responded that it is working to provide guidance to affected students. Harvard University's tussle with the Trump administration dates to early April. Harvard became the first elite college to refuse to comply with the government's demands to limit pro-Palestinian protests and eliminate diversity, equity, and inclusion policies. That kicked off a series of escalating action against Harvard. Various federal agencies cut Harvard's grant funding. Then Harvard sued the administration, seeking to end the grant freeze. The administration first threatened to revoke Harvard's ability to host international students in April. And now Trump has also said Harvard should lose its tax-exempt status. Doing so would strike at the school's ability to fundraise, as wealthy donors often give to tax-exempt institutions to lower their own tax burdens.